The TOTO S550e Washlet versus Bio Bidet BB-2000 Bidet Toilet Seat Comparison. The TOTO S550e Washlet and the Bio Bidet BB-2000 are two of the best bidet toilet seats that money can buy. Both models are fully loaded with features like a heated seat, endless warm water, warm air dryer, adjustable nozzles, slow closing seats and lids, wireless remote, adjustable spray pressure, and more. Although these two luxury seats have much in common, let's take a look at what sets them apart. Differences in design. TOTO's high-end washlets have always been known for their superior low-profile design. The S550e continues this trend with a bidet seat that stands at just 4.5 inches tall. Its lid has a unibody look, which covers the entire rear panel and comes in one of two styles: contemporary or classic. The Bio Bidet BB-2000, on the other hand, is slightly wider and taller in the rear. It sports a silver accent that runs across its rear portion, adding to its robust look that's more similar to other bidet seats on the market. Spray pressure. The Bio Bidet BB-2000 has some of the strongest spray pressure on the electronic bidet market. Its superior spray is its main strength, and users who prefer a more powerful wash will definitely favor the BB-2000. Its rear wash is about 10% stronger than the TOTO's hard spray option when set to max. The Bio Bidet also has the unique enema function. The enema function is a powerful, narrow spray that helps alleviate constipation. The TOTO S550e also offers a great spray, although not quite as powerful as the BB-2000. The TOTO has two different spray modes for both the front and rear wash functions. Its default setting is a wider, softer spray pattern that soothes as it cleanses. The second mode is what TOTO calls a hard spray, which is stronger, narrower, and feels more like other bidet seat sprays on the market. Water heating type. While both models offer endless warm water, the Bio Bidet 2000 utilizes a hybrid heating system. This means that the seat's heating system functions by having a small reservoir of warm water preheated. During a wash, the BB-2000 will draw from this reservoir, while also continuing to heat the water for an endless supply. The TOTO Washlet S550e, on the other hand, uses a tankless water heater. This means that there's no internal reservoir with preheated water, as it heats the water on demand during a wash. This method is the most energy efficient because nothing is preheated. Unique features. Enema function. The Bio Bidet BB-2000's unique feature is an enema function that provides exceptional use. It's a powerful yet very narrow spray that provides constipation relief. The TOTO S550e does not have this feature. User presets. The TOTO S550e has the ability to save two user presets on the remote control. This will save the water temp and spray pressure settings of two different people. The Bio Bidet 2000 does not have this feature. Soft and hard spray. The TOTO S550e has two different spray patterns. You have your choice between a softer, soothing wash or a stronger cleansing stream. E-Water Plus. TOTO offers its exclusive E-Water Plus feature with the S550e. It uses electrolyzed water to pre-mist the toilet bowl between uses and also to clean its nozzles. Automatic lid and seat. The TOTO S550e has a fully automatic lid that senses when you approach and lifts the lid and seat automatically. The auto function can be turned off, and the seat and lid can be raised and lowered via the remote. Remote control. The remote for the TOTO S550e is a dual-sided remote. The front side offers a touchpad with all the basic functions, while the rear side has an LCD screen with more in-depth options. The remote fits in one hand and is beautifully ergonomic. The Bio Bidet BB-2000's remote is a bit more robust in its overall body size. The remote is ergonomic, although a bit thicker, and can be preferable for those who wish to have a bigger remote with an LCD screen. Differences in nozzle construction. The Bio Bidet BB-2000 uses a stainless steel nozzle, while the TOTO S550e uses a high-grade plastic nozzle. Both seats have self-cleaning systems for keeping the nozzles clean between uses, and utilize a single nozzle with different sections for their wash functions. Warranty. The TOTO S550e is covered by a 1-year manufacturer's warranty, while the BB-2000 is covered by a 3-year manufacturer's warranty. Conclusion. Both the Bio Bidet BB-2000 and the TOTO S550e Washlets are excellent choices. Which one is better for you? Well, that comes down to a handful of things. If you're looking for function over form and want some of the strongest spray pressure available, enema function, reasonable price, and the ability to have a warranty that can be extended up to 6 years, then the BB-2000 is the bidet for you. If you're looking for the best bidet toilet seat that money can buy and love the idea of the latest and greatest technology with an automatic lid, e-water plus, and low-profile design, then the TOTO S550e is the one for you. Whatever your choice, you really can't go wrong. Click the Bidet King icon to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to check out our other awesome bidet videos. Visit us at bidetking.com, the online leader in bidet seats.